Hello and welcome to a quick tour of EDL-X version 2. EDL-X makes CMX 3600 standard compliant EDLs, or edit decision lists, from Final Cut Pro 10 XMLs. So in Final Cut 10 you export an XML like this. And then in EDL-X you load your XML like this. EDL-X flows from left to right, and here we are in the leftmost tab where you get to see the text of your XML. As we proceed, the Preferences tab is next, followed by the Sources tab. And finally, here's the EDLs tab where you get to see and save your EDLs. In this example there's actually 4 of them because of the way that the footage was stacked up in Final Cut. EDL-X collapses your cut into as few EDLs as possible. Here's a new feature in version 2. You can now show effects in the EDL together with certain parameters and keyframes, and that depends on how the effects are nested and keyframed in Final Cut Pro. So here's an example of a static effect, and here the same effect is keyframed. Another new feature is roles. Roles can be displayed and filtered. Here we only show shots that have the VFX temporal. Also worth a look is the way that EDL-X derives the source reel names. Here I want to use the reel name from the XML and only if needed fall back to the file name. In the Sources tab you can look at the reel names and also edit them. This is then also going to show up in the EDL. Once you're comfortable with the configuration, you may not want to look at the first 3 tabs anymore. To make the process even quicker, you can send the XML straight to EDL-X from Final Cut Pro by sharing your cut, like this. And that's it for this demo. Thanks for watching.